You see, I think say some now coming now. At the end of the day, we team one. You got to get and I be rescue House of Folk.
Sure.
Because penny all kind of routine is some dina. And again, at that time I know say I mean not on first no. Maybe you were having his own agenda or his opinion. The reason why not on first and he said it say a class of folk not belonging to the guns. That is what he said. So yes, so he doesn't see why also floaty shares na you have to be a bear part of the Oak family now in a team numpo to the extent that and that is what na origin say preventing it say obe fuaso as in say your friend to be has to folk jumadino and Kwame. What I'm also saying is at that point, you have a call near okay in ano. Kwame said Drew Holmes also no. Almost team belonging to them no. Kwame they couldn't come to rescue us of Foku. And I'm a sure because a team there, na say a team no elko acho elko him and I Kwame BB cost na and get the best. Na see ntimi amba me solve issue no ambwa ama club no
rescue club.
Yes, Kwame. Then na ye dia no edaso kwa na se den. Kwamba to what me point here say. Because you are to Kwame, you see 2011 asat one year or buy say or be involved into House of Folk Kwame. That was 2011 no. When him said na House of Folk I record the loss 97,975,745 Kwame. And na House of Folk a day a calm day and they was say 3.68 million Ghana cedi then 2011 Kwamba what I say until from that on you are to be Kwame and a buyer or rescue House of Folk from that point Kwame 2012 the investment so okay SAS you go to a sponsor House of Folk strategic African securities no on say go to a point support House of Folk
sure
Kwame 2012 no ene obo bisa 500,000 Ghana cedis
5 billion
yes 500,000 Kwame you see already we na according to him na banks enye willing say ene omo be bo House of Folk bisia ombele House of Folk sika that time ntene na wo say SAS Kwame eba no omo do omo gimne ne omo bo House of Folk bisia na say ene omo be ma House of Folk sika kakra say dey be Kwame ene omo ebetim de twitwa adu omo na omo de aye omo recruitment ni enioma bi e wo club num Kwame enti wo yemu a eho no na sika bia Kwame mfi mu ma enti the best option is ene obedane no into shares na wo de ato to be afi adini free ba
sure
enti no wo hwe mu Kwame as at that time no na say you atoge unity that moment na Kwame na House of Folk na me anu Ukraine na ka be problem na issues be papa and again as to who are now obe back to the rescue of House of Folk Kwame at that point na bi ni ho yes if say na you atoge enu ho no ma Kwame ntene na ebe unim say e got to a point dem tie kra ne say probima ho no po na yewa hariza ko e ka no Kwame ebe dru ba bi no na e ka kakra ho yewa atoge kokle ka no probima no yes tina e kaka crown tin no say you to go Kwame e kono oko settle nyoma ni nyina afri worum na afi House of Folk etime den ho from probima ho no ti Kwame ya dia megidi say nei nanka wutie de harija ko e kana in a way nanka ne be adwere from that point because the club no every baby and I say belonging to a couple of group bi dia then I was some moment some environment Kwame omo netimi ebo club no omo netimi hwe club no by now it got to a point these people are here cause a club ni omo dia no Kwame na omo ntimi enso club ni mi entina club no Kwame be bia na ekono sika omo bo team no bra even salaries any player recruitment kwa na Kwame be problem and a drew baby na House of Folk mpo kwa e finding it difficult say nei omo betimi mpo enya loan onya busa from banks because utia na sa time no bank bia na willing say kwa me ne oboba House of Folk busa mpo enti say na nya SAS na buy ya ene eyetoge one of the companies ni bi ana buy na be rescue House of Folk kwa me e bia ne say dia work no ye nim baby na nka House of Folk at this point na wo enti one particular decision House of Folk kwame omu take ya me giri say nei ometima ka say the best decision House of Folk ateki our club in history o share amen yedu atobe baby obefa House of Folk free and kwame any baby abedu ya I can confidently tell you say nei yedu atobe decision House of Folk e man no be to shares e wo mu an na team akọ kan san kwame me giri say one of the best decisions House of Folk take here.
Oh, okay.
Because even that, see how House of Folk is struggling. Even you are to game puno, and don't go away a one man. Or no, yes, come on the side of a glory city. You bet me say or buy no House of Folk ain't me as our glory days no. House of Folk ain't me we I mean trophies before I say obepano. No omunya saade no pa kwame currently see a House of Folk say ya o he dia akoso wo probima ho kwame I mean a dan wasisi commercial center kwame e dey bi na House of Folk here the omu here say decisions you are to be afa amanfo a omu manage club na omu take poor decisions.
Taking poor decisions.
Yes, for House of Folk.
Mbapa any for.
I'm only in command. Meaning como.
Me de fem.
Meaning como. Why? Meaning como. Entino say kwame usha. Ye wa toge one particular person kwame. Maybe House of Folk history one of the best decisions that omu take here no. And he say wa toge House of Folk because be a senior ye wa harija ko eken. Kwame Kabai na House of Folk me say bia second division kran kebe hu because na eka mini wo mo na club no ho kire no Kwame na option bia ni ho because option e wo say Kwame na obetima cost ki for loan me boa ba loan nso so no utie so a sata mi nyina no na House of Folk e fa ni difficult to get loan no say me odi bo team no ho bra enti to ba memo a na me gidi say na I mean enoma no bedding ba Kwame eba no or your team no and again we invest a lot in the club but me jiri say on the pitch issues no any omo manage club no Kwame and no na personally I think say a young minus for your friend to go am House of Folk entim nyasa glory days no because management omo manage club ni say Kwame omo ana ama yewa to go no Kwame na sensitive from the investment or no Kwame entimi yi the results and our glory sin from our
no so that point on
ntina make say ohwe decisions no mo ye na eno ana ma ni investment no Kwame entimi yi the results but what I say because no na amma sa kwani say omo managers for come omo manage no no me I want to believe say ene said I mean yewa haiza ko kano the GFA president can be bina me I'm tempted to believe say bina e course House of Folk say me ntimi ni me ani misinya adwuma me did because you are to go so if you say or trusted people are Kwame or more around him or more buano e man ye nia also ye in terms of any dwumadie and I say I mean the companies anyhow or any nyoma and in this particular people irrespective of the outcome of omu decisions or omu taking no yet nothing wrong with that. And he still feels they are the best people for the House of Folk job. But at the same time, those people are Kwame. In terms of the House of Folk football club, no, Kwame, they are not helping the club because Omama club not suffer a lot. They've taken a lot of decisions. Club no akwa hunye mupai. So me say yes. All taking over. Auto shares mama I mean majority of House of Folk no ade na kwakodi no Kwame me supporto adwene wo ho me believe it sa course no but any running Accra House of Folk at this point, people are coming almost around the club and manage club. That is where the issues comes in, because you cannot always depend on people who are not helping you to get the success that you want for a particular cause. But it looks like Ira Togo sees nothing wrong with. I mean, Omo running House of Folk, no. What I say, you know, a hard dream there, but in all, I think one decision House of Folk eteki ya kwame at this point. Etimi abu House of Folk, am still relevant? Eye Toga, Omujano, Emano, Ebeto shares as I say all run a club no, because we share investment kwame why ye ewa Accra House of Folk ma nyame anim krani. If say ne omo ya is a come na run a club no ebe pin samre ya me gidi say ono ankasa ne kasa mu kra no ene na House of Folk kwame omo be call a hell of a time omo be call jumpa because it got to a point now what you say e kai me ne omo and omo twa mani kra kwame ne ntwa kwame now